I'm going to share for whoever wants to watch this. This is June 3rd, 2013. And I'm filming this little baby rabbit. And he's moving on out from underneath the shrubs right now. But he was in the front yard eating. And we have an array of weeds. It's actually edible for humans, like the plankton, the dandelion, and the clover, the rabbits like. And God has provided a smorgasbord of food for the animals. But sadly, people want the greener lawns, and they want no weeds in their yard, and they just don't realize, and I don't know how anybody can get across to people that when they poison and when they use pesticides and poison the lawn, of course they're not going to be able to eat any of the greenery that's in the yard, but also the animals can't eat it. It will make them sick, and most likely many of them die. And like the robins, we have robin nests around here, and just imagine them trying to dig up a worm in a lawn that is poisoned. And the rabbits trying to eat the food. And it's just heartbreaking. It's been a really sad spring because we keep looking for honeybees. And I did find like 2 dead bees and 2 dead birds. I've seen 1 hummingbird and a couple butterflies. And this is spring, you know, and there's just, it's like everything's being destroyed. And you try to talk to people and they just don't care. They don't care. They want their greener lawns, and that's it. And it starts a chain reaction. I mean, one person gets it done, and then another one, and another one. And people that's trying to garden, they're trying to farm, they want organic stuff. It's really hard. It's just, it takes the heart out of you every time you see somebody spraying, and it just goes on and on. It's not just one spraying. I don't know how many times they have to have it sprayed, and then they use Roundup, and then they this and that and the other. And people don't see. So it's a lost cause for the baby boomer age who's set in their ways and older. It's just a lost cause. So hopefully the younger generation will see that the honeybees are going, and the butterflies, and the most vulnerable of nature among us, you know, and I hope somebody can see.